EZ Liner PVC interlocking liner panel is an ideal, great alternative for conventional walls and ceilings in a wide range of applications, including garages, car washes, warehouses, farm buildings, indoor grow rooms, and more. Before starting any project, make sure you have the right tools and safety equipment. It's important to acclimate your panels at least 24 hours before installation. Plan the layout of the EZ Liner and trims to achieve even spacing and alignment with adjacent work. Start your EZ Liner wall installation by trimming out your wall layout. Use a tin snips or circular saw to cut your trim pieces to size. For a wall installation, install the multi-corner trim piece for the inside corners first. Fasten trims every 12 inches to 24 inches centerline and 12 inches from the first and last point. Next, install the J-trim pieces around the bottom of the wall. Once you have installed the multi-corner and J-trim, it is time to install the liner panels. Remember to account for expansion and contraction when installing EZ Liner panels. Cut panels to size per your layout. Panels can be cut using a circular saw or table saw with a fine-tooth blade. Install the blade in the reverse direction. Move at a slow advance rate for a clean cut. Install the first panel. Fasten panels every 12 to 24 inches on center and 12 inches from first and last point. Panels will seamlessly interlock together. For cutouts, such as outlets or electrical boxes, an oscillating tool or jigsaw works well. Continue to install panels with 24 inches centerline between screws. To install the last panel, insert the panel into the trim piece. Snap the male trim into the female piece. Once all panels are installed, go back and install the two-piece crown and base. The crown base gets installed first. Fasten every 12 inches to 24 inches centerline and 12 inches from the first and last point. Next, install the crown cap piece. This piece covers up the screws. EZ Liner interlocking PVC panels are a great alternative for conventional walls that is easy to install and water resistant. Great for residential, agricultural, commercial, and industrial applications.